Ka Voice of the People Party haka janmeit jong ka arphoi tarik jylliew kala Pynbna Paidbah ka kyrteng je Dr. A.J Syngkon badei General Secretary jong ka party kum Kyrtong ubani Reng haka election syaka ingdorbar Lok Sabha ka banlong haka 8,000 yakani la Pynbna de Dr.Cara Chen bat ong bakani ka jingpynbna kloi ka kyrteng je Dr. A.J Syngkon kadei naka bynta ban pynkhreh ka jingdonkam ban iakhun ka MP election Shuh la iathuh ru baka VPP kan iakhun marwei kadei ka election klem de yatrelang bat ki wei pat ki party ne ki sengriu lum nakaliang Dr.Cara Chen ong ru baka party kala yop liang arngut ki kyrteng ban iakhun haka MP election hendrai nakaliang ka party kala ibet Dr. A.J Syngkon ban iakhun haka MP election 8,000
Pynbna ya candidate MP jongi namanta ka election parliamentary election kan ban long hau 2024 te ka badei bagani parti jongi state election committee kala ya kendu aka khat tarik jong benai bad hadin ka bangi la ya perkhat sani ba lin me ya kren shibun ti ngila ka klami ka wei karai ba ngin nominate ya Dr. A.J Syngkon A.J Syngkon banlong candidate jong ka Voice of the People Party namanta ka parliamentary election ka banlong 2024 kata kadei ka purpose jungi bentaban Pynbna ka jingtu jungi kalong ba gina ban ya chakmat ya ka jing trikam jong ka party ken namar langi Pynbna lupa yu candidate ka suk bangin ya chakmat angni no founder member jong ka VPP obei ru general secretary jong ka party ko jong ka por udei briu ba abiang ka jinang jistar udei nahi kai ka school ba hane ho te kum ka party is so he's the right person ken langin jet yo founder member jong ka party te yanu ngin jet in happen jet yo try jong ka party bolong founder member ba general secretary jong ka party ru application ki don ki bala ki ba ya kendu ya president ru individually kum tu personally amai berta ni nakaliang jongi kemio ai namar kitu ki bala mut ki layu kendu president bat ki don ru na pedeng jongki ki bala ai diki jingtho di application mau bikin kwa ban contest ni ka MP election how little party once we enter the fray to contest the election then we have to move ahead whether we win or we lose it does not depend on the number of MLAs it depends on the decision of the people so on our part we feel that once we enter the fray we feel that we should go ahead and it's up to the people to decide whether we win or we lose on our own we will contest the election on our own and we will not seek support of any political party we will not seek any support from any political party we will contest on our own
and the reason for
depend on ourselves, depend on the support of the people. We don't need the support of anyone. And like what is happening now, also we, like in the previous election, also we have contest on our own. We have not aligned with any political party. So which is why we feel, even for this parliamentary election, also we will contest on our own without the support of any political party.
So what will be the?
There are a number of issues. And one of the most important issue is the reservation policy. That is one, and then there are other issues also, which we feel like if the people elect our candidate to the Lok Sabha, we feel that we'll be in a position to air our views in the floor of the house, especially like issues like the ILP and other issues which are important for the state of Meghalaya. Well, I don't think we need the support because, first of all, also the ideology of the party also is different from other regional parties. Okay, so that is, I think, it is difficult for us, to work with other political parties. He is here, he's here to concentrate on state politics. Okay, he's the president of the party, the leader of the party. We feel, that he's the right person, to be in the state, not to go to Delhi. So which is why we have decided, to field Dr. A.J Syngkon as our candidate for the Lok Sabha election next year.